Hey. In today's Office 365 tip, I actually want to show you how to use Flow to create a WordPress post whenever you post a video to YouTube. Pretty cool, right? So if you go to office.com, you'll see Flow right there in your apps. If you don't see it there, you can click on the app launcher and go to all apps to actually see the different apps. So I'm going to go to Flow. And in Flow, I'm going to navigate straight to the templates. Now, of course, under my flows, I'll see any of the workflows that I've written. But under templates, I'm going to look for YouTube and WordPress. It's so much easier to actually just look for the different connectors that I'd like to use. And you'll see that when I upload a video, create a WordPress post. It's going to be a winner. Now, keep in mind that when you set up flows, it needs the credentials for the different connectors that you'd like to use. So I needed to put in my credentials for WordPress as well as for YouTube. Now, once that's set up, I can then continue and say that I want to configure the specific flow. So what I would like to configure is I don't just want the video posted to WordPress. I want to make sure that the title it's going to use and the description, the video description, is also used for my blog description. Now you'll see that the first step of this flow is when I upload a video. Okay, and if you click on that, you'll see no additional information is needed because it's already set up to look at my YouTube channels. Then create post, and here I'm going to select the site that obviously I've added, and you'll see the default values for the parameters. I'm going to edit this. Now what this flow says is that when a new video is uploaded to my channel, it'll take the title of the video. I'm going to just take this text out because I actually don't want to use that. It's going to take the title of the video as my blog title, which is what I want. And then in the content, I don't want to repeat the video title. I actually want video description. And then, of course, I need the link to the video at the bottom. Now, the status as well is you can set to say it must auto-publish it and immediately run with that. And then, of course, for this sake, I'm going to just say, just set it to draft first. And then, of course, you can say create the flow. If you do set it to draft, I suggest adding a new step saying send me an email when I've added one so that you don't forget, or add a plan or a task to my planner to remind me to go and review that post on WordPress. I do want to set it up to automatically post there. So what I am going to do is just go and say create the flow and save the flow so that this actually works. So we're going to say create flow, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like. Flow display name, of course I haven't set this up. So when I upload video, let's just change that to YouTube. Create a WordPress flow, because obviously I've created this already. I'd like to show you what this looks like. So when I then do upload a video to YouTube, and I'll just show you what that actually looks like. So you'll see here's some one of the videos that I have uploaded. So this is a video clip that I uploaded. And then, of course, I put the name in for the video clip, and I've added the description as well. So that would be my normal blog description and any tags that I want to use. So as soon as this video is posted, I then have the ability to see what this blog looks like in WordPress. So this is the exact same blog. It's brought in the URL on the blog for the video, as well as the text that I've added at the bottom. So keep in mind, when I set up the flow, I just want to go back to my flow. Remember these details here? This is actually the details that you're seeing inside of that WordPress post. So going back to the WordPress post, this is the post. And to see what one of these actually look like, you'll see that here is that customize your office ribbon. And if I open this, it will render the video in that, as well as add my text at the bottom. So I've added a little blip as to say, what will this video help you with? And then I've just got my normal stuff that's at the bottom of my WordPress posts.